couple of weeks ago I made a video which I called the Emotional Support Jaguar, or something like that. I'll link it. And then I went off and spent, best part of 2 weeks doing the second part of my radiotherapy, which is now complete and I'm in recovery. I feel wrecked. I feel like I've been beaten up every day for a month, which is basically what's happened. And while I was away, because treatment was like an hour and a half away and it was getting difficult doing the driving, I realised it's not the car that was providing the emotional support. It was this space, this workshop. And the car is still sitting here. I've got the track rod ends for it, which is all it needs for me to finish it. And you've got a pile of broken bits on the floor, the usual detritus. It looks like I did sweep the floor before I left. But look at the bloody mess. This workshop is my emotional support workshop. And it's a pigging mess. And I'm feeling guilty. Isn't that bad? I feel guilty about leaving your workshop in a mess. And I feel guilty because the workshop provides me with a kind of guaranteed, tangible return on effort. Each time I come in here, it doesn't matter whether I sweep the floor or swap an engine. The actual task doesn't matter. The point is that every time you walk in the door, all you have to do is pick up the floor brush and you'll have achieved something. And for the last 2 weeks, I've not had my workshop. And it's killed me. So, I think the first thing we need to do is tidy this place up and make it usable again, don't we? Let's put this on a bit of time lapse or something, shall we? And we'll see how we get on. honestly don't have the energy to do any more today. Let's call that a wrap. I'm going to come back and finish this tomorrow.